Hello students, good morning. I am your English teacher. Welcome to my English class. See this picture and tell me which animal is this. Yes, you are right. This is a cat. Do you know what is the sound of the cat? Yes, very good. The cat says meow. Now look at this video and tell me which animal is this? Good. This is a mouse. Do you know where does a mouse live? Yes, a mouse lives inside the hole. Do you know why am I asking you these questions? Because today we will read our main lesson 2, the cat and the mouse. Before starting the lesson, let me tell you the story. Have you ever seen the Tom and Jerry show? In that show, you might have seen Tom always chases the Jerry to catch her. So, mostly a cat wanted to eat the mouse when he felt hungry. So, this story is also like that. So, let's start. There was a cat and a mouse. One day, the cat felt very hungry and wanted to eat the mouse, but the mouse was inside her hole, so the cat couldn't eat the mouse. Then the cat thought of an idea to make the mouse to come out of her hole. He went very close to the mouse hole and said, "Sister Mouse, what are you doing inside the hole? Come out and see how nice the weather is." The mouse understood the intention of the cat and replied, "No, I have no time. I am cooking my food." Again the cat asked, "Can I cook food for you, Sister Mouse?" The mouse again replied, "No thanks. I will cook my food myself." The cat made so many plans to make the mouse to come out of her hole. He pressed her house, door, windows, etc. But every time the mouse replied, "I have made it myself," staying in the hole. She did not come out, and the cat failed to catch her. Therefore, the cat made the final attempt. He said, "Sister Mouse, you have made your house yourself, you have made your door yourself, you have made your windows yourself. You are really a great mouse. Can I open your nice door, Sister Mouse?" This time the mouse had swelled up like a balloon with pride and forgot about the intention of the cat. She therefore said, "I will open my nice door myself." And saying so, she came out of her hole. The cat wanted so. He caught the mouse and ran away. That's all about the story. Now let's read the book. Hello students, I am going to read the lesson now. Listen to me carefully. There was a cat and there was a mouse. One day the cat felt very hungry. He wanted to eat the mouse, but the mouse was inside her hole. So he thought, "What shall I do to make the mouse to come out of her hole?" An idea came to his mind. He went very close to the mouse hole and said, "Sister Mouse, what are you doing inside the hole? Come out and see how nice the weather is. I have no time. I am cooking my food, replied the mouse, knowing well the intention of the cat. Can I cook food for you? Sister Mouse asked the cat. No thanks, I will cook my food myself, coolly replied the mouse. Now we will learn the pronunciation of some difficult words with their spellings. So listen to me carefully and repeat after me. Number 1, F-E-L-T, felt. Number 2, H-U-N-G-R-Y, hungry. Number 3, W-A-N-T-E-D, wanted. Number 4, I-N-S-I-D-E, inside. Number 5, H-O-L-E, whole. Number 6, T-H-O-U-G-H-T, thought. Number 7, I-D-E-A, idea. Number 8, M-I-N-D, mind. Number 9, C-L-O-S-E, clothes. Number 10, N-I-C-E, nice. Number 11, W-E-A-T-H-E-R, weather. Number 12, R-E-P-L-I-E-D, replied. Number 13, K-N-O-W-I-N-G, knowing. Number 14, W-E-L-L, well. Number 15, I-N-T-E-N-T-I-O-N, intention. 16, A-S-K-E-D, asked. 17, M-Y-S-E-L-F, myself. 18, C-O-O-L-Y, coolly. 19, T-H-A-N-K-S, thanks. Now let's see some difficult words and their meanings. Number 1, felt very hungry. It's a phrase. It means became very hungry. I felt very hungry, so ate some food. Number 2, wanted. It's a verb. It means needed something. My mother was going to the market, so I wanted to go with her. Number 3, inside. It's an adverb. It means within. The mouse was inside the hole. Number 4, idea. It's a noun. It means a thought or suggestion. My mother gave me the idea to prepare the project. Number 5, weather. It's a noun. It means state of the atmosphere. It is a rainy weather today. Number 6, intention. It's a noun. It means plan. I know my friend's intention very well. Now try to answer the following comprehension questions. Who are there in this part of the story? Who wanted to eat the mouse? Why? Why couldn't the cat eat the mouse? That's all for today. Read the paragraphs 1, 2, 3 properly at home. See you in the next class. Thank you.